Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, it is time for another Stitch Fix video. I don't know why I held up the paper, but I guess it was easier than holding up the box. But yes, it is time for the final box of 2019. That's hard to believe. So for fix number 34, I apparently had a new stylist and I'm not sure why. Like usually if your stylist goes on vacation or something like that, the new one will be like, hey, so-and-so's on vacation, I'm just here for this box. But how this stylist made it sound, it sounded like she's my new stylist. So I'm gonna talk a little bit more about my future with Stitch Fix at the end of this video. But for now, I did have Cass M style my box for this month. I don't know about the rest of you that get Stitch Fix, but I don't like to change up my stylist. When I find one that I like, I don't like to change them because then they start to learn about my style, my personality, and then they're able to really personalize the box to me. When you get a brand new one, I feel like it takes a while for them to get to that point. And obviously you have to start somewhere with a stylist. They don't get it right automatically, but I don't know. I just don't like the fact that now this is like 4th or 5th stylist that I've had in 1 year. I don't know.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We'll get to the future of Stitch Fix on this channel at the end. But for now, we are gonna dive right into box number 34. So for this month, Cass M sent me a pair of shoes, 2 sweaters, a jacket, and a dress. I am not keeping everything. I don't know, there are 3 things in this box that I really like. One that I wasn't sure on, I actually had to get my mom's opinion on, and unfortunately it's like a really expensive box too. But I am sending at least 2 items back, keeping 3, I think. As of right now, I'm keeping 3. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. As usual, if I don't keep items, I'm gonna start with the items I'm not keeping first. Also, if you hear any kind of weird sounds in the background, my rats are currently up and eating breakfast while I'm filming. So the first item I'm not keeping is the sweater by Skies Are Blue. I usually really like Skies Are Blue. It's very soft, it's very cozy. It looked a little boxy on me, but there are a few things that I don't like about it. By the way, this is the Fiona Rainbow Backside Stripe Pullover. The first thing that I don't like about it, it's so blah in the front, because then when you look at the back side, it's like, wait a minute, this is really pretty. Like this whole rainbow scheme, but it's on the back side. I want to be able to see it. I don't know, I just feel like the front part is just so, it's too for me to keep it. I also really despise this stripe on the side. It's navy, gold, white, and silver, and then you have the rainbow on the back, and then you just have the oatmeal on the front. It's a lot going on in one sweater. Again, it's a very soft sweater. It's a very cozy sweater. It's a very dressed down type of sweater, but this ain't it. And then down here at the sleeves, you've got these like automatically cuffed sleeves and they're orange. And there's just so much going on with this sweater, and also not enough at the same time, if that makes any kind of sense. I think the front part is just so, I mean, it's like a mullet. Business in the front, party in the back. I'm really sorry to Skies Are Blue for just comparing your sweater to a mullet, but that's what we're going with. Let me know what you think of this one. I mean, I love the backside. If I could have a sweater of just that, like all the way around, I would get that in a heartbeat. I'd wear that sucker all the time because you could do so many makeup looks with it. But and then also just the stripe down the side. I don't know who thought that was a good idea. Reminds me of something like varsity, like sportsy related. I don't know. This was a big no for me. But if you yourself are interested in this, it retails for $68. Another reason why I'm not keeping it. And then the other item that I am for sure not keeping is this jacket. Again, this is probably one of the softest jackets I've ever come across, but it just looks like crap on me. Funnily enough, this is also by Skies Are Blue, so I really feel like it just struck out on Skies Are Blue this time because I normally really like their stuff. I have to pick up my sheet to read this. This is the Milo Modal Blend Belted Jacket. So kind of hard to see me holding it up, but you'll see in the video. This is a lightweight, thinner jacket, even though when I hold it, it's kind of heavy, but it is a more lightweight jacket. It's a very professional looking jacket, which I had asked for some more like professional looking things because I kind of need it for work. I don't know, there's something missing with this jacket. There's only 1 button. So if it's gonna be a jacket, I feel like it needs to be more than 1 button. And it does have this really cute belt. Let me pull it up right here. Like I like this styled belt right here. It's tortoiseshell, but I don't know, something just did not feel right with this. I mean, it's soft, so it physically felt right, but just looking at it on me, it just did not look right whatsoever, no matter what I wore with it. Maybe in the video I wasn't wearing the exact right top with it. I mean, if you're looking for a professional jacket, maybe this is the way to go. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. It does have pockets though. That's always a plus. I don't know. It was not for me. But if it is for you, it retails for $78. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the item that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep, but haven't 100% made up my mind yet. And the main reason why is because it is a pair of booties. I'm always leery about purchasing booties from Stitch Fix because I never know if they are made of leather. And as I've mentioned before, I'm trying to cut back on purchasing articles of clothing that contain leather or anything of that element. From what I looked up online, it says that it's synthetic. I'm hoping that's what it is, but not entirely sure. So until I do more research on it, I'm stuck at like a 80% chance of buying it. And those booties are these cutie pies. They are ankle ones. These are by DV8 and they are the Jace heeled booty. First of all, I love the taupe color. I love ankle booties for any occasion. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I think they're perfect for any occasion. I love the little cutout right here. It does have a zipper on the inside part. I love the height of the heel. I mean, I just love everything about this, but I was a little bit leery about this woven pattern right here because I wasn't sure if that was real leather or not. From what it says online, it's synthetic. I'm going to do a little bit more research today. I have to send this back pretty soon, so have to make my decision soon, but I really, really do like this a lot. Taupe goes with a lot. Taupe is kind of like black because it is that neutral and it can go with quite a bit. Like I said, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I just think these are adorable. I mostly love this cutout right here. I've been looking for a pair that have a cutout like this. None of mine do. I'm really leaning toward keeping these. And these retail for $95, so that's also what's keeping that 20% of, ooh, do I really need them? Because they're cute. But are they $95 cute? All right, moving on to the items that I am for sure keeping. This first one is one that I was automatically like, yes, I'm keeping that. That's exactly the type of thing that I like. And that is this mustard colored sweater by Emory Park. I mean, I love this color, first of all. This is the Slouchy crew neck pullover. It's just a very simple yellow sweater, very soft, very cozy. Again, dress up, dress down, however you like. And it just, I mean, it's just a basic sweater. I don't know if you all have noticed this with the past few boxes, but I'm just all about basics. Like, because then you can add accessories to it and really just amplify it up, or you could just wear it on its own and it could be amplified down. And I do like the color a lot. I like mustard. I think mustard kind of goes with me, which I never used to think it would, but I kind of think it does. I don't know. I just like it a lot. And it's very soft. And it's also the cheapest thing in this whole box. It's $44. Also adds to just how great it is. I will say this is an extra small, and it still felt a little billowy on me, but that's fine. I'm okay with that. It's an oversized sweater that is really cute. I'll take it. And the last item that I am keeping is the one that I actually needed to get my mom's opinion on. For things like this, I always like her opinion just because, like I said, I'm more of the simplistic style, and sometimes I don't know if I need a certain item in my wardrobe. But it is this dress by Ralph Lauren. So first of all, you gotta know it's expensive. This is $98, so that was also a reason why I was like, Mom, do you think I really need this? And she was like, yes, you kind of need something like that in your closet. And I'm like, well, damn it. This is the Cleora? I guess that's right. Cleora knit dress. It is 3/4 length sleeves-ish. It is kind of like a wrap dress, which I normally don't like because I always feel like they make me look bigger in the midsection, but this one didn't do that. It is very form-fitting. This is a size 4. I'm glad we didn't do a 2 on this one because, I mean, I'm probably gonna need Spanx with it anyway, but I don't have anything dressy like this. And as my mom put it, this is a kind of dress that is good for pretty much any occasion. It's a very nice, dressy dress. Does that make sense? A lot of the dresses I own come from Target and they're knit and they're just an everyday throw on kind of dress, whereas this one is more of an occasion dress, and I don't own any of those. So that was my main reason for being like, okay, do I need something like this? Now, I will say, as I've mentioned before, I'm not a fan of floral, but because the majority of this dress is black, it kind of balances out, and I'm fine with that. Also, I like the color scheme of the floral. It's like that mauve, pinky blush scheme going on, so I'm okay with that. It is a longer one, so again, good for a lot of formal-ish occasions. Yes, the $98 is painful, but I feel like for a good dressy dress like this, it's kind of worth it. All right, so for the entire box, if I got all 5 items, the total would come to $383, which is an extremely expensive box. Not used to seeing that. But if I got all 5 items, it would take the 25% off. It would bring it down by $95.75, so almost $100, to $287.25. However, I am not keeping all 5 items. I am only keeping at the most 3. So the grand total in that case, with the $95 booties, the $44 sweater, and the $98 dress, the grand total comes to $237, which I've said before, well, if there's not that much of a, pay gap between getting all 5 or just getting the ones that I really like, might as well just get all 5. Not in this case, because there's a big difference between $287 and $237. I mean, that's a $50 difference. Yes, I am sending back those 2 items for sure. Don't know about the boots yet. I'm still really on the fence about them. I'm leaning more toward keeping them, but not entirely sure. Let me know in the comments below what items were your favorite, what items were your least favorite. Totally fine. Bring a discussion up as to why for either. Now, as for the future of Stitch Fix for this channel, I love Stitch Fix. I just don't like the fact that my stylist has changed so much this year. There are reasons why I lost my dear Amber D, and I'm fine with them. But I really liked Blake Lindsay, and then all of a sudden she's not here, and I'm hoping maybe that was just because she's on vacation type of thing, because I do miss her. She had learned my style and my personality, and I felt like we had something good. But as for Stitch Fix on this channel, I don't know if I want to continue doing it each month. It's a lot to film the try-ons, to film this. It's also a lot of money. If I could cut back on that, I've got a lot of clothes now, like so many clothes. I really don't need to add anything else. So I think for 2020, I might pump the brakes on Stitch Fix. So this may be the last Stitch Fix video for a while. I may cut back to doing it quarterly, because that is an option. I don't know, I haven't made up my mind yet, but this may be the last one for a while. We'll see. If you don't see one in January, then that's the case. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.